Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Messenger and confirming you're signed into the account whose search history you want to clear. Once done, tap or click the search bar so recent suggestions appear. If suggestions do not show, make sure the app is updated and you have a stable connection. Otherwise, sign out and back in. Now, press and hold Mobile or hover and click the three-dot or settings icon beside the search entries to reveal deletion options. You will now remove individual items. Tap the three-dot menu or press and hold each recent search entry to open its action menu. Then choose Delete, Remove from Search, or Clear from History depending on your interface. Once you remove one, the list updates immediately, so make sure to check for duplicates. If you have many items, use Clear All or Clear Searches when available. Just be aware that action is irreversible for those entries and will remove suggestions tied to your recent activity. Finally, clear everything if you prefer a full reset. Go to Messenger settings and choose Clear All Searches or Clear Search History, then confirm. Once done, restart the app to ensure suggestions no longer appear. If Clear All is missing, clear the app cache mobile or sign out and remove site data in your browser, then sign back in and check again. If entries reappear, make sure synced devices are also cleared to prevent repopulating your search list.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.